The world's largest water balloon fight is not just an event, it's a spectacle of epic proportions, combining the whimsy of childhood nostalgia with the exhilaration of mass participation and the sheer joy of getting soaked. Picture it. Thousands, perhaps even tens of thousands, of people converging on a sprawling field or park, armed with nothing but water balloons and a gleeful sense of mischief. The scene is set long before the first balloon is thrown. Volunteers work tirelessly to fill countless balloons with water, creating a veritable arsenal of aquatic ammunition. Meanwhile, organizers set up barricades, designate safe zones, and establish rules of engagement to ensure that the chaos remains controlled and everyone stays safe. As the appointed hour approaches, anticipation mounts among the participants. They gather in eager anticipation, donning swimsuits, goggles, and waterproof gear in preparation for the deluge to come. Some come alone, others with friends or family, but all share the same sense of excitement and anticipation for what promises to be an unforgettable experience. And then, with a blast of an air horn or the waving of a flag, the water balloon fight begins. Balloons fly through the air in a riotous frenzy, exploding on impact with a satisfying splat and showering everyone in the vicinity with a cascade of cool, refreshing water. Laughter fills the air as participants duck, dodge, and weave through the chaos, seeking cover behind makeshift barricades or using their own bodies as shields. The battle rages on for hours, with no clear winner or loser, only the pure joy of uninhibited fun. Participants of all ages join in the fray, from young children gleefully pelting each other with balloons to adults reliving their youth with reckless abandon. It's a celebration of summer, of community, and of the simple pleasure of letting go and embracing the moment. But amidst the laughter and the chaos, there are moments of unexpected beauty and camaraderie. Strangers become allies as they team up to launch coordinated attacks on unsuspecting targets. Friends become foes as they engage in playful rivalries and epic showdowns. And through it all, bonds are forged and memories are made that will last a lifetime. As the sun begins to set and the last of the water balloons are thrown, the participants emerge from the battlefield, soaked to the bone but smiling from ear to ear. They may leave with soggy socks and dripping clothes, but they also leave with hearts full of joy and spirits lifted by the shared experience of a world's largest water balloon fight. And so, as they head home to dry off and warm up, they carry with them the memories of a day spent in laughter and camaraderie, of a moment of pure, unadulterated fun that brought people together in a way that only the simple act of throwing water balloons can.